But in this context, that is absolutely fine. In fact, it sounds really good. What's going on there? I'm sorry, editor, that was a ton of takes. It's used in so many melodies. It's within the pentatonic notes. It's the only place... No, it's not. Now, before I reveal the answer, if you're really hungry to... We could take something like Happy Birthday. No, we couldn't. That was Jazz Piano 101. Now let's go to Jazz Piano 202. I don't even know if that's what you guys call it. Is it 101, 102? G, G, D. You know what? That's not true. I played the wrong note. Actual key of the song is, there's a fly just in the shot. All the white notes on the piano. There's a fly. This little fly ruining my shot. There's a mosquito just flying out. There's a lawnmower. What's it? I should probably wait till this lawnmower goes. The Kenny Barron voicing, who was a famous jazz pianist, by the way, who featured this voicing in a lot of his compositions. Actually, he's still alive, no offense.